At Esporta Wash Systems, we restore lives and rescue the planet. We're able to restore articles of value, sentimental and priceless articles that people have lost due to some sort of calamity. Flood, fire, whatever the disaster, we restore soft contents that were previously considered lost. What was once lost can now be restored, and that makes people happy. In the midst of their disaster, people take comfort knowing that their lives can be put back together. Precious articles that are treasured parts of their everyday lives can be returned to them in short order. How are we rescuing the Earth? Well, by restoring soft contents and not throwing them out, we save the Earth from an overabundance of garbage that chokes the life out of this beautiful planet of ours. Times have changed. New technologies have made possible what was once thought to be impossible. In the insurance restoration industry, we have seen significant technological advancements that change the way property is restored and claims are settled. We are now able to restore people's lives in unimaginable ways. The patented and proprietary Esporta Wash System for soft contents represents revolutionary paradigm-shifting technology for the insurance restoration industry. The Esporta Wash System is changing the way soft contents are being restored. What was once cashed out and destined for the landfill can now be restored. We call this the soft contents revolution. The time has come to restore and not replace. Esporta certified operators, those restoration contractors certified in the operation of the Esporta Wash System, are able to restore an average of 85% of soft contents that were typically cashed out. What types of damage and contamination can Esporta certified operators restore? Category 1, 2, and 3 water damage, heavy smoke and soot, mold and bio-waste contaminated goods. In fact, third-party independent laboratory testing has verified that the Esporta Wash System restores Category 1, 2, and 3, as well as smoke and soot damage contents, to food-grade clean. Not only does the Esporta Wash System produce never-before-realized cleaning and disinfecting results, but it also maintains the structural integrity of the restored articles better than traditional washing techniques. Many different kinds of soft contents can be restored in the Esporta Wash System, including leather goods like shoes, purses, jackets, laundry of all kinds, household goods like sleeping bags, pillows, comforters, stuffed animals, and many unique unwashables such as sports equipment and a wide variety of other articles. This revolutionary technology means that claims are settled in a faster, simpler, and more cost-effective and environmentally friendly fashion. Customers benefit from 24-hour turnaround time on emergency items, the recovery of sentimental items, a simpler and faster claim settlement, and a satisfaction guarantee. This results in delighted customers, and insurance companies benefit from significantly reduced claim settlement costs. Esporta certified operators have saved insurance companies tens of millions of dollars in settlement costs on thousands of claims, equating to average savings of thousands of dollars per soft contents claim by restoring and not replacing. For example, one claimant suffered an electrical fire which resulted in heavy smoke and oily soot damage to close to 200 Civil War uniforms utilized by a historic battle reenactment society. Previously, these goods would have been written off at a settlement cost in excess of $150,000. The Esporta certified operator member who received the claim was able to restore the uniforms at a fraction of the replacement cost. One Esporta certified operator received a claim from a local high school who had a water leak in their football equipment storage facility during the off-season. This resulted in the mold contamination of 1,000 pieces of equipment including helmets, pads, and jerseys. The certified operator was able to restore all of the equipment within a matter of days, in time for the start of the football season. Another claimant suffered a home electrical fire, which resulted in heavy smoke and soot damage to his deceased father's World War II naval flight jacket, an irreplaceable family heirloom. The Esporta Wash System was able to restore the jacket to better than pre-loss condition. A container ship from China destined for North America with thousands of pairs of leather squeaky toddler shoes encountered rough seas. A container of shoes was soaked in the seawater, causing the mold contamination of 8,000 pairs of shoes. The Esporta Wash System was able to restore the shoes to as-new condition. A retired Las Vegas performer suffered an electrical fire resulting in heavy smoke and soot damage to a vast collection of evening gowns, complete with double-feathered boas. This collection was irreplaceable. Thankfully, the Esporta wash system was able to save the entire collection. Not a feather was lost. These boots and shoes were deemed non-recoverable by a major restoration dry cleaner. They suffered heavy smoke and soot damage in a fire, were box wet, and became moldy. After 6 months of storage, they felt like tree bark. Yet, the Esporta wash system was able to restore them to pre-loss condition. Literally thousands of claims like these have been processed by Esporta certified operators across North America, restoring all manner of articles that would have previously been cashed out. The restoration of these articles results in delighted customers and decreased claim costs. Cleaning costs are typically 20% of replacement costs, a savings of 80%. How is this possible? Traditional washing systems utilize mechanical agitation to dislodge the dirt and contaminants from the fabrics. High alkaline detergents combined with mechanical action breaks down the fibers and may cause degradation. The disinfecting capabilities are limited and in most cases unproven and open to the hazards of cross-contamination. Esporta's patented proprietary technology holds items stationary and passes them through the detergent-laden water. This unique technology features a fully automated computer system, peristaltic pump-controlled metering of the detergents, and heavy-duty stainless steel construction. Hydraulic action is used to remove dirt and contaminants like soot and bacteria from fabrics and foams. Most washes are executed in a neutral pH environment with very little agitation. The combination of the patented hydraulic action and the proprietary environmentally friendly detergents results in a cleaning system capable of removing 99% of the contaminants while still being gentle on the planet. The Stage 1 detergent attacks the bacteria and breaks down unwanted organic matter and eliminates odors. The Stage 2 detergent is an emulsifier and surfactant that dissolves and removes the contaminants. The Stage 3 detergent is a combination of natural disinfectants that kill bacteria and mold spores on contact. The Stage 4 detergent is a softener. The Esporta certified operators of North America are establishing a new paradigm for the restoration of soft contents. With hundreds of members throughout the US and Canada, we represent a growing influence within the insurance restoration industry. Esporta provides ongoing research and development, testing, validation, training, education and certification on behalf of its members to ensure consistently high standards of operation and, therefore, exceptional cleaning and disinfecting results across North America. Esporta certified operators must complete both a site certification and operator certification. Each certified site must use an Esporta ES 3300 or equivalent wash system and have the proper equipment for the drying and finishing of soft goods and leathers. The site must also be commissioned by an Esporta certified trainer. Esporta operator certification involves the process and procedure for the handling and restoration of soft contents, proper operation of the Esporta ES 3300, proper documentation, and calibration procedures. Esporta certified operators are taught to use the ATP sampling system to provide field verification of soft content sanitization. ATP levels of 10 RLU are considered sanitized for food preparation and even medical grade surfaces. Pre-wash testing of raw sewage contaminated comforters showed levels of 6,000 RLU. After washing in the ES 3300 Esporta wash system, in accordance with strict Esporta guidelines, the bacteria levels were very safe, considered food-grade sanitized at 10 RLU. Even a cell phone shows levels as high as 150 RLU. Mold-infested shoes tested at 621 RLU prior to washing, but after being washed in the ES 3300 Esporta wash system, following strict certification guidelines, their bacteria count tested at 4 RLU, better than food-grade clean. Due to extensive spring flooding, an Esporta certified operator processed hundreds of black water, Category 3 claims. One particular claim included this collector saddle, which had been given to the claimant 20 years earlier. The saddle had high sentimental value as well as a replacement cost of $2,000. The pre-wash contamination level was 829 RLUs. After washing in the Esporta system, the saddle was fully restored with a post-cleaning RLU reading of 7, food-grade clean. Esporta certified operators are utilizing the power of the Esporta wash system to delight insurance claimants, deliver faster and simpler claim settlements, reduce claim settlement costs, and reduce environmental waste by restoring soft goods previously considered unrecoverable. The Esporta wash system is restoring people's lives and rescuing the planet in ways never thought possible. We've rescued hundreds of tons of soft contents from the landfills. Tens of thousands of people's lives have been restored, and we've done this by saving insurance companies tens of millions of dollars. That's a lot of good news. You could say it's revolutionary. At Esporta, we're on a mission to restore lives and rescue the planet. We've launched a revolution of sorts. We call it the Soft Contents Revolution. Join us. Restore. Don't replace.